Hello students, today this is our first lesson, integers. Today we are going to discuss what about integers. So what is integers? You already know about that. The integers are, which numbers are called integer? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 as well as -1, -2, -3, -4. These all numbers are called integers. If you put the numbers on a number line, then what happen? This will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4, this way. And this gap between two numbers, two consecutive integers should be same. And you can't find any integers between two consecutive integers. That means 2, 1 and 2. You can't find any integer between 2 and 1. And similarly, -3, -2, you can't find any integers. Now look, if we are going to left hand side to right hand side, the integers will be, number will be increase, and if I go to right hand side to left hand side, the number will be decrease. Clear? That means if you compare between 0 and 2, which number is greater? Obviously 2, and 0 be the smaller number. If you compare between -4 and -3, so obviously -3 is greater than -4. Now go to exercise 1.1. The first question is given. Arrange this number in ascending order and mark them on a number line and check your answers. So firstly you have to know that what is the meaning of ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. You have to arrange the numbers smaller to bigger. So which number is smaller among them? So obviously 5 is smaller than -4, because -5 is here and -4 is here. So -5 is smaller than -4. So firstly write -5, then -4, then 0. Then which is bigger than which is bigger between 4 and 7? 7 is bigger and 4 is smaller. So put here 4 and 7. Now draw this one. This is a number line. So, and whenever you draw this, always use scale. And 0, this one 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to indicate that points. Indicate that points like this way. Clear? Now go to the next problem. Question number 4. Ruchi deposited this much amount in her account on Monday, and then withdraw this much amount on Tuesday. Next day she deposit again this much amount. What was the balance on her Thursday? So what is the meaning of deposit? Deposit means put some money. That means he added this much money on bank account. And what is the meaning of withdraw? Withdraw means say she taken some money. That means this much money taken from her bank account. That means deposit means plus 4,370. You withdraw this much money. That means you have to subtract this much money, and he again deposit this much money. That means you have to add this much money from previous ones. Clear? Then calculate this. You will get this answer. Now go to next one, question number 5. The question number 5 is given modulus function. So firstly you have to know that what is the meaning of this modulus function. So modular function is if you put whatever you put plus or minus, modulus function always gives the positive value. That means if you put within the mod -2, it will be give 2 plus 2. If you put +2, then also give +2. That means if you put -3 on this mod, this will be +3 happen. If you put -100 on the mod, this will be +100 happen. That means whatever you put in this mod function, within this mod function, this will be gives always positive value. Now go to question number 2, Roman 2, 5, Roman 2. Here is given 13 minus 5. What will be the value of 13 minus 5? It will be +8. and keep this mod, and here is given minus 9. So keep like this way, and look here. Here is given plus 8 modulus. That means you know that if you put anything on the mod, this will be gives always positive value. That means this will be plus 8 happen. And look, here is given minus 9. That means what is this function? This is modulus function, and the modulus function always gives the positive value. That means if you put here minus 9, this will be gives here plus 9, and this plus 9 and this minus, this will be minus 7. Now 8 minus 9, it will be minus 1. Now look at next problem. Arrange the following integer in descending order. So what is the meaning of descending order? So descending order means bigger to smaller. Now you know that which number is bigger among them. This number is much greater than this number, so this number is bigger. So put this number first. Now next bigger number is 139. Now put this number, then 0. Now look at the minus numbers. So which number is bigger among these three numbers? Look, suppose even you are comparing these two numbers, minus 2 and minus 5. So which number is bigger between these two numbers? Look, minus 2 is present here and minus 5 is here. So if you compare of these two numbers, which number present right hand side, that number is bigger, and which number present in left hand side, that number is smaller. That means minus 31 is present on right hand side, then minus 97, that means minus 31 is bigger and minus 97 is smaller. Similar concept happening on these two numbers. Now go to next topic, successor or predecessor. So what is the meaning of successor? Successor means add 1 and predecessor means subtract 1. Suppose you want to find out the successor of 3. So if you add 1 with 3, it will be 4. So you have suppose you want to find out the successor of minus 2. If you add minus 2, you will get minus 1. Look here, minus 2 plus 1. If you add plus 1, it will be minus 1 happen. So 4 be the successor of 3 and minus 1 be the successor of minus 2. And what do you mean by predecessor? Predecessor means subtract 1. That means if you subtract 1 from 3, you will get 2, and if you subtract 1 from minus 2, you will get 3. Look at here, if you subtract 1 from minus 2, you will get minus 3. Clear? That means 2 be the predecessor of 3 and minus 3 be the predecessor of minus 2. And here is given question number 8. Which one is true and which one is false? You have to tell. Look, here is given 0 be the successor of minus 1 in integer. Look, obviously 0 be the successor of minus 1. That means after minus 1 you will get 0. If you add minus 1 with minus 1, you will get 0. That means this is true. Look, the second question, 0 has no predecessor and in successor in integers. Look, obviously 0 have a predecessor. Minus 1 be the predecessor of 0. Yeah, so that means this one is false. Thank you.